doing? Shutting everybody into the dam, everybody out. Not going to want anyone to drive in there anymore. If you need to go across, you have to take the bridge. Out here in these mountains, we do have bighorn sheep. They kind of blend right on in with the mountains. Kind of hard to see them unless they're moving around up there. But sometimes they do hang out up here by the casino. So we may see some today. They also have 4 intake towers. Now, 2 of them have blue clocks. Nevada time and Arizona time. And that's because as soon as we cross over the Hoover Dam, we will be in Arizona. Mountain time zone. That's where the time's going to go up 1 hour. But we're going to stay on Las Vegas time all day today. Because I know some of you back there have watches like mine. Electrical transformers. And as we go around this next little old curve here, over to your left, you will be able to see the face of the dam. Now, they also have a big old crane pulley over to your left. Still in operation today, whenever they need anything on the other side. And they named it King Kong. As we go around this next little old curve here, you will be able to see the Memorial Bridge, 726 feet high. And we're going to come back to the Memorial Bridge in case anybody wants. Now the word is, if you rub the toes on them, it would bring you good luck. Now would you look at them toes? Somebody been doing a lot of rubbing. You're also coming up on our left here. This first intake tower has a blue clock of Nevada time. Now, as soon as we cross over, we will be in Arizona. The next intake tower is going to have a blue clock of Arizona time, which is going to take us up 1 hour. Now, they used to have a line right here. Now we're in Arizona. Water line, 3 of them. As we go around this next little old curve here, you people on the left, you may still be able to see part of that spillway. Add some damn t-shirts.
Damn husbands.
They also have some porta potties, outhouses. Okay, now over to your left, this is the day.
Couples fight on my bus, but not like that.